Hello guys, this is Miss Jocelyn Flamenco and to learn how to use cool. Today we're going to see that cool is another modal like we said the last Saturday like must, have to, and now we're going to see the use of cool. Let's start. Could is used to express ability in the past tense. For example, here we have I couldn't drive when I was 16. If you notice, here we have a past action that says that in the past I couldn't drive, but in the present maybe now I can't. Also cool, it is used to ask for something in the present in a polite way. For example, could you help me to carry this heavy box? So we're asking in a polite way. Also, we use could to ask for, give, and refuse permission. Here we have an example. Could I go to the party? And you can answer yes, you can, or no, you can't. Another example could be when you are in class and you want to go to the bathroom. You can say, could I go to the bathroom, please? And your teacher has to say, yes, you can, or no, you can't. And finally, we use school to offer help. For example, could I help you? So if we are offering our help, we can use could. Could I help you with this exercise? So that is all, guys, of the use of could. I hope you can practice more in the exercise that you have on your book. Bye.